Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today you will be learning about how to swap two numbers with logic 2. लास्ट वीडियो में हम लोगों ने देखा था लॉजिक 1 जो कि था एक थर्ड ऑपरेटर मींस नॉट एन ऑपरेटर थर्ड वेरिएबल यूज करके विच वी डिक्लेयर्ड एज टेम्पररी और उसने क्या किया था ए जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हमने दो वेरिएबल में इनपुट दिए हैं फॉर एग्जांपल a इज इक्वल टू 10 दिया था b इज इक्वल टू 20 तो उसमें क्या हुआ था नाउ सी ये लॉजिक 1 था इसमें हमने दिया था a इक्वल टू 10 b इक्वल टू 20 और एक टेम्पररी वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर किया था t उसने क्या किया था t में हमने a का वैल्यू स्टोर किया ताकि फ्यूचर यूज में हमें उसका जो ओरिजिनल वैल्यू था मतलब a इक्वल टू 10 वो हमें मिले तो वो व्हाट वी डिड उसके बाद a इक्वल टू b किया हमने एंड देन b इक्वल टू t मतलब यहाँ पे हमने a का जो ओरिजिनल वैल्यू था 10 उसको टेम्पररी वेरिएबल t में स्टोर किया देन a में b की वैल्यू स्टोर की एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी डिड वाज टी में जो हमने ए का वैल्यू स्टोर किया था उसको हमने बी में डाल दिया एंड वी गॉट द आउटपुट जस्ट रिवर्स्ड मीन्स स्वैप्ड what we did was before swapping a equal to 10 and b equal to 20 and after swapping b became 10 and a became 20. Okay, now let's go for the logic 2. So we'll create a class and I'll name it swapping two numbers. This is logic 2, so I'll number it 2 and we'll do some. Okay, now the class is ready. Now what we'll do is now let's go for logic 2. What logic 2 says is we will swap two numbers without using third or we can say temporary variable. So now what's the main logic? The main logic is we will use arithmetic operators. And what are the arithmetic operators we will use here are plus and minus, that is plus and minus. Okay, now let's start. For example, what we did in logic 1 was we declared two variables and allotted or given them some values. Okay, so the same thing we will do here. Int a equal to 10, let's say 10, and int b equals to 20. Now what we will do is we will with the help of arithmetic operators plus and minus we will just swap the values of a and b. So first what we will do, a equals to a plus b. Okay, now what this does, this will make 10 plus 20 and store it in a, means 10 plus 20 will be now the value of a, that is 30. Now a equals to 30 and then what we'll do is b equals to a minus b. Now what this does, we have the value of a now as 30, so we'll write here 30 minus b, b has 20, so minus b means minus 20. Now this will be equal to 10. Now see what it did. When we did a equal to a plus b, it a got assigned with the total value, means after summation the value of a plus b, that is 30. So a became 30 here, and then here we did a b equal to a minus b. It means 30 minus 20, and we got b as 10. See, this was the value, int a was 10 at the beginning, and now b is equal to 10. So now what we will do to get a equals to 20? We have b as 10 now. Okay, so a equal to, we'll write here a minus b again. Okay, now see what it will do. We have a as 30 and now b as 10. These are the two variables, two values which will be used by them here, means 30 minus 10, which will be equal to 20. So you can see here the actual value of a before was 10 and b was 20, but after the swapping, means after swapping, we performed these operations here, and what we got, b equals to 10 and a equals to 20. Now let's check whether we are right or not. So I will write here system.out.println after swapping. After swapping, and just print the values of a and b. So a equals to plus a plus b equals to plus b. So let's also check whether the values before swapping are 10 and 20 or not. Before swapping, so now let's run the program. See, before swapping, what were the values? A equals to 10 and b equals to 20, and here what we did, int a equals to 10 and int b equals to 20 was the value assigned by us, means the user assigned them the value 10 and 20 of their choice. It depends on you what value you want to store. And after that, what we did, we just, for checking whether our program is right or not, we did some println statements here. That is, we wanted to know before swapping what were the values and after swapping what it became. So it printed here before swapping a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. Okay, and after doing these operations, we got the values after swapping, a equals to 20 and b equals to 10. So that's all for today. I'll be back very soon with the third logic. I won't name it now, but that's very interesting one. So stay tuned and like, comment, share my videos, and thank you for watching.